Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All.
Let's start from where we were last time. Last time we did lesson 7, editing game 1. So we did some X and Y generation and checking the inputs and checking whether the input is correct or not. And we wrote that it was correct if the user's input is correct. That was the last one. So homework, write wrong if wrong and give the correct answer. Okay, so let's open our notebook, file, open and ex1. So fine. So, okay, connect to the engine and going that all the way down to the last cell. Okay, maybe we can reuse this cell. So again, because this is the first time today, we need import random. So maybe, okay, so maybe we need to put import random here. That's kind of what we always need in the beginning of a source file. Okay, so produce X, produce Y, and ask for input showing X and Y, and then input is converted to integer, and then after conversion, we can compare with whether the answer is X or Y. Maybe we don't need this anymore, so just comment out. So if the answer is the same as input, same as the correct sum, it's correct. Otherwise, so yeah, we should write wrong. Okay, maybe we can write more, saying something like what was the instruction? Give the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is answer is without using F string, we can write this way. Just simple print of multiple elements such as string, comma, integer element. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so 4 plus 6. Let's try a correct answer, 10. Correct. Okay, good. Let's try another one. 2 plus 2. Let's make a mistake. 9. Wrong. The correct answer is 4. Okay, it seems correct. It's working fine. Okay, let's go on. So today is the continuation of the game coding, addition game 2. Repeat 5 times. Okay, fine. So you did that part. So we can make it repeat this 5 times. Okay, I'll give you some time. Stop the video and do it yourself and check. Okay, this is it. To repeat 5 times, yeah, it's easy. So we give for I in range 5. This is the way to repeat something 5 times. And then we need to indent this part. So select the region and hit tab to indent. I think this is good enough. We can do it 5 times. Okay, let's do it. 3 plus 6, 9. Correct. 7 plus 2, again 9, but let's make a mistake. Okay, 4. Wrong. The correct answer is 9. 7 plus 3, 10. Correct. 8 plus 6. maybe we'll make mistake. 666. Wrong. The correct answer is 14. 5 plus 2, 7. Correct. That's all. Okay, good. We could do it. We repeat this process 5 times. Okay? Use numbers up to 99. The intention is to let's make it more difficult. So the previous problem was like between 1 and 9. So let's make it between 1 and 99. So all we need is here. Okay? We can make it 100 if you want, but let's make it 99 and let's try. Okay? 52 plus 78. Oh, it's a tough one. Can you do it? 130 maybe? Correct. 80 plus 80, 80 plus 4. I don't know. It is 99, 999? Wrong. The correct answer is 84. 29 plus 50. Okay, 79. Correct. 11 plus 39. Maybe 0? Wrong. The correct answer is 50. 51 plus 27. Okay. 100. Wrong. Okay. Seems it's working fine. Okay. Of course, you can modify yourself and modify the messages and try yourself many things. Okay. Count the correct answers and show the score at the end. Okay. Stop the video and do it yourself and let's check later. How was it? Easy, right? You know how to do it. Count the correct answer. So again, it's counting. So maybe here, in front of 4, we prepare a counter. Okay? My score, maybe. Anything. Well, score could be anything like 5 point for each correct answer, or 10 point, or 20 point. But let's just make it simple. Okay, so where does the increment come? Yeah, right. Just after or before correct. In this if clause, okay? In this case, sorry, only when the answer is correct, score is incremented by, say, 1. What do we need at the end? Yes, we need at the end. So we need to go back by 1 indentation because it is after for loop. Okay, let's make it just simple. My score. Okay, or shall we make f string like your score works and use curly bracket and stop it. Okay, I think this works. Were you able to do it? Let's do it together. Okay, 38 plus 49, 87. Ooh, something is wrong. My score is not defined. So my score, I made a wrong spelling. It should be my score, not my sore. Soccer. Okay, score, correct? Okay, let's do it. 34 plus 89. Can you do it? 123. Correct. 27. Okay, let's give 99. Wrong. Okay. Wrong again. And 71. And 65. Okay, your score was 3. 3? It's not clear. So maybe you can change 2 out of 5 or something like that. Or even better, problem number. You can make problem as variable so that you can change it later. Okay, problem is 5 and out of curly bracket problem. Oh, something is wrong. Problem. This is even better. To save time, let's make only 3 problems and also change this to 9. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, something is wrong. Problem again. Misspelling. Problem. Okay, let's try. Okay, 2 plus 7. 7 plus 1, 0. Okay. Yeah, so, it's important to make intentionally mistakes. Sometimes mistakes and sometimes correct answers so that you can check the programming. Okay, 10. Okay, so 2 correct and 1 wrong. So your score was 2 out of 3. Of course, you can change it to 10 points for one answer or something like that. Anything you like. Okay, fine. Good. That was simple, right? Let's make it simple. So this is all for today. Thank you very much. Homework, write in a more friendly way, such as 47 plus 21 equals 68, for either both correct case and wrong case, and something like that. Yeah, try to think of a way how to make the responses more friendly as possible. And let us check your answers next time. Okay, hope you like this. And I really hope you will come back next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.